guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with a tech related video because I do get a lot of questions about my recording setup and my intro and my banner, my thumbnails, like how do I edit my stuff. So yeah, I'm starting a series on how I create certain content for my channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get a custom intro or outro and custom effects and editing things for your videos without really having to do too much work. So I'm going to show you guys what I do, some tips and tricks that I use to get really cool and creative intros, outros, editing things for your videos if you're that kind of YouTuber. So let's just get on with the video. I'm going to stay right here. I'm going to screen record my computer and just show you guys what I use. Okay, cool. So first thing you're going to do, you're going to pull up YouTube and you're going to type in custom YouTube intro beauty, because I make beauty videos, template, and a bunch of things are going to pop up, and I'm going to show you guys just like a few. So for instance, look at this, YouTube intro templates with music. So this is just an example of,
I just created a Wix website for my business.
Let's mute this ad because who cares, and we're going to skip. Like, look at this. It's the first template. These are just some examples. It's one intro. It's another intro. See, so that's an example. So people make these custom intros and they post them to YouTube. So I'm just going to show you guys some more examples of them, and then I'm going to show you guys how to get the actual template out of YouTube and into iMovie, or what is it called, Final Cut Pro, into iMovie or Final Cut Pro, so that you can actually use them and edit them for yourself. So yeah, let me just show you another one. This one is by Editing by Matthew. He makes a bunch of them. But look at these, like they're so nice, and you don't even have to pay. You just have to credit the person that made it. So always remember to credit them. You can either put it in your description box or something, but you just want to let people know where you got it from because you didn't make it yourself. But look at this, it looks bomb. There's so many different ones, like whatever kind of intro you want, you just type it in, but just make sure you type in template, because then, like, if it's not a template, you won't be able to use it. You wouldn't be able to put your own words and your own channel name and everything onto it. So yeah, which I'm just gonna click through and just keep showing you guys some examples. Like, look at this, adorable, literally adorable. Crazy. So say you saw this, you looked all through YouTube, and this is the one that you want. Download YouTube videos MP3. YouTube to MP3 converter. You're going to put the link to the video here. You're going to copy and paste it by and start, process it, and it's going to download straight to your computer as a video file. So you just click download, and here it is, unicorn makeup. So it went straight to my downloads folder. So now we're going to close all this out. Okay, so you're going to open iMovie, and you're going to import the downloaded intro template. You're going to import that as a file into your iMovie or Final Cut Pro or whatever editing software that you use, and then I'm going to show y'all how you can actually use it. See, so first you're going to import that file, the file that you just downloaded to your computer that you got off of YouTube. You're going to import that from your downloads folder, and here it is, unicorn makeup intro. I'm going to import that, and it's going to pop up right here. So whatever part of the intro you want is what you're going to put here. So you're just going to drag it. You're going to crop it to where you need it to be. And then you're going to crop it again where you want it to end. Which is right there. So I'm going to mute this so you can hear me talk. So basically you're going to edit the video of the video that you got from YouTube, and you're going to crop out all the things that you don't need, and you're just going to keep the part that you need. And I'm going to play it. This is the cropped version. And there you have it. You have a custom intro, and all you have to do is add the words. So say I have some like custom words here. I'm trying to find an example of a text that I can add. Like that. Yeah, just like that. So say you have some edited text that you want to add on top of the intro. You literally can just add it on top of it. I'm just going to throw in this how to edit your Instagram photos text that I made for another video and show you guys how it looks on top of what you got from YouTube. There you go. The words fall right on top. You can do any font, any text, whatever you want, but you already have like this basic template, and you really didn't have to do anything besides pick which one you wanted off of YouTube. So yeah, it was really quick and easy, and you don't have to pay anyone if you don't want to. You literally can search for one. Somebody else may or may not have it, but it is really good if you're not that good at editing and making your own content, graphic design. Like if you're not into that kind of stuff and you're not knowledgeable about it, this is a really good option for you, and it's super quick, super easy, and it gets you something really cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I normally do like hair and beauty videos, but since I am a small YouTuber, a lot of people ask me how I make my content work, like how I edit, what camera I use, what my lighting is like, my intro, my outro, my banner, everything. People ask me those kind of questions, so I wanted to start this series. So let me know what you guys want to see next. Do you want to know how I made my channel banner? I can show you guys how I did that in the next video. If you guys want to see that, you gotta let me know. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.